Precision work.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Juan. In today's video, I'm going to be taking the 335 IS over to CD919 to get the port injection and the AIC1 controller installed. Hopefully that should give me the bump that I need in fuel, and should allow me to make more PSI, make more jam, and yeah, hopefully make this car the way I want. So it's riding good, riding great right now. The only thing I'm worried about is once I go with a power increase, with a port injection and the increased PSI, I'm probably going to run into issues with cold packs and spark plugs. I do have one-step cold plugs and Bosch cold packs, and my worry is that you know, that might just be good enough for maybe 5 to 6. But now that I'm maybe going to bump it up over that, we're going to have an issue with the with misfires. So we'll see. We'll tackle that problem when it comes. You know, main thing is you got to do one thing at a time. So yeah, let's take this ride. Let's y'all get to meet CD919. Man always does great work for me, so it should be a fun experience today. Should learn a little something. And all right, I'll check with you guys later. Bye. Arrived CD919's house, ready to get this show on the road, ready to get things done. Can't wait to see what the aftermath will be. The only thing that's kind of worrying me right now is that I don't have a stage 3 twin 450, something like that. I do have a just a 525 Hellcat, which should be pretty good for what I want, but won't give me my 100% full potential, which, you know, I'm going to push this thing to the edge. That's just how I am. Pulled up on that man CD919.
What's up?
I'm thankful my man's about to take care of me on this port injection.
Is the hood set?
Yeah, that should be good.
I just tied up with the cord.
Oh.
Completely. It's got one more.
Some little plug, I wonder. Oh yeah, that's for the
It's just holding the bar in place. There.
How the valves looking?
They'll be cleaner after this.
Yeah, not too bad, man. Not too bad.
I'm gonna undo the battery so that the fuel pump won't fry anymore.
I'm gonna hook you up right here.
Appreciate it.
Beautiful, beautiful.
This is the part. This hose is.
Next thing CD's doing is hooking up this AIC1 controller. So Chris, what's the difference between this one and the AIC2?
The AIC2 has the ability to do flex fuel.
Flex fuel, okay. So generally, if you don't have, so you gotta get like a, at that point you gotta get like a ethanol analyzer and shit.
Well, at that point, you should get a reflex, not an
A reflex,
AIC2.
okay. And then while
AIC2 is old. Don't use it.
don't use it, okay. And I've also heard about the reflex light. Is that a pretty good option for people?
That's essentially the same. It has the same capabilities as this, except it does sequential injection.
Yeah.
So the car, in theory, runs better.
Yep.
To the average user, that's probably not really noticeable, but it solves a few issues, like large pressure drops when the port injection comes in.
Okay.
Some mysterious cars have random misfires that go into sequential sparks.
Oh, okay.
That kind of thing.
Pretty nice upgrade, actually. Should have done that.
Yeah, and and it's around the same price point, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, yep, you're absolutely right. I think it was like $399 or something like that, but you know, when you get your shit for 100, you know, it's kind of hard to compete. All right, port injection's in. Only thing left to do is the wiring. That's the CD919 special right there. Because I can never. What does this go? All right, this part of the process. Kick ignition on.
Yeah, turn it on a couple times so the fuel system will
Yeah, we put all this shit back on. Oh man, Chris did it. Boys got that beast RS3. You already did the tires and shit.
Yeah.
It was last time. Nice. What's up, y'all? So, car is pulling great, man. Port injection went in. It's beautiful, man. It's I mean, I just sent over logs. I mean, I looked them over myself. High pressure fuel pumps looking great. Low pressure fuel pumps looking awesome. No timing corrections. I think we're ready to turn this this bad boy up. So, you know, I'm probably gonna get 2-step coated plugs, maybe a set of coil packs, just to be on the safe side. Hey, guys, that's it. We got it done. You guys saw some of the videos. Any questions you have, I can try to answer them the best I can, but I know it's not really the easiest of install once you get to the controller. I think it's pretty straightforward once you're putting the manifold on and the spacer for the injectors on. That's not too hard, but wiring it in looked like a really big job. So, all right, y'all, thanks for watching. That was the port injection install segment of this 335 IS, and let's see if we can get some rips in.